TADANO TL250, 1984 manufacturing here. Very good, clean train, everything working. One owner from new, imported from Norway. Here how it is operating. Now the operator will make a full turn. He will distract the boom and retract again, extend it again, to show that everything is working. And on the other side. Now he is going down with the boom. You can see the lines are is putting it down from the main cylinder. Now raising again. Now retracting it. He's not professional crane operator, so that's not the full speed of the crane working. After I will show you how fast the boom is going till the top, so you can check.